So I'm Jeremiah with the team in the Network Operations Center side of things, and I'm on the side of the road in Watt, British Columbia. It's near the northern tip of Vancouver Island. We're talking pretty small town, pretty remote location. Agreed?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody agree? It'd be really cool to come check this place out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the idea. We want to get you through the B1, B2 visa application because now if you have a B1, B2 visa in the US, that actually clears you into Canada now. Right, Shane?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Shane's been here. It was a little bit weird at first, right, Shane? You're like, I'm in a horror movie. You're taking me in the middle of nowhere. It's so quiet. Remember how quiet it was?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you guys will really appreciate that. There's no karaoke. There's no chickens.
Mm.
There's no dogs next door. There's no guy trying to sell you fish at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's
Mm.
just so quiet. So we're going to do some more shots of the digital sign here in
Yep.
live locations.
Mhm.
Take this down to Las Vegas for the trade show. But yeah, my real goal is to do it as an open invite to have somebody always planning to come visit me. You understand? To be
Yep.
so cool.
Yep.
Okay. Be up to do more driving. I'll see you in about an hour and a half. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.